till it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, someone's calling, it's not me. They'll scream and talk about your destiny, but sunshine, never mind. Give me all of your gray skies. I can't hide from the skies above. They're chasing me down, trying to find your love. I didn't mean to take it this far, but here we are crying in the back of my car, saying it's your fault, but it's okay, 'cause I promise I'll love you anyway. So sunshine, never.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Monday. It's the start of a great week, and it is Monday, August. What? It's Monday, July 25th. It is 8:14 in the morning, and I am ready for the day. I stayed up all night, so don't judge me. But I made some coffee. I made an espresso, and I love espresso. It's so good. It kind of got a little cold because I was cleaning my room and making my bed, but it's still good. Okay, so we have some stuff planned today if I don't fall asleep and fail at everything today, but I pulled an all-nighter and then I'm gonna pull an all-dayer. I'm really tired, but we're gonna do this because I'm trying to get my sleep schedule back on track, and this is the only way. So I'm gonna make a to-do list. I have this really cute journal that I got off of Amazon. I buy anything on Amazon. Amazon is life. So I'm basically just gonna make a to-do list of everything that I need to do today. I do need to vlog like I'm doing right now, and I need to film some Instagram content, some TikTok content. Maybe I gotta email one of my advisors to change my minor, because I'm changing my minor to theater. I'm still a business major, but I'm changing my minor, and that's gonna be really exciting. So I have a lot planned today, and let's go ahead and get started with our day. Yeah, I ended up falling asleep. Now it is 12:11 in the afternoon. My hair is absolutely insane. I'm waiting on my grandpa to get back so that I can borrow the car and go get a coffee. And then we are gonna play some video games right now though. Alright, hey guys, so it is currently 2:32 in the afternoon. I did my makeup and I straightened my hair and pulled it back into a ponytail just because I wanted to look a little bit more presentable for the day. I am actually quite exhausted. I only slept for like 4 hours once I fell asleep at 7 a.m. this morning because I stayed up all night, and I'm about to play some video games. I'm gonna play Call of Duty Black Ops. This is for my PS3. It's not my PS3, it's my fiance's, but he lets me use it all the time. So thank you, baby. But I'm gonna play it. I'm doing missions, and yeah, let's do it. So it's the next day. Anyways, so I am just in my makeup. I'm about to play some more video games. I think, I don't know, I might. It is currently 3:48 in the evening. Oh, okay, you did not see that. 3:48, and we just got home. We went to my college to apply for a job for me, but I got the job, and I just had to go talk to the boss that was going to be over me. And now I'm going to do some video games, play some video games, and we're going to do some things. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. What are you doing? Okay, so I just put these cherry bubbly sparkling waters in the fridge, and now I'm gonna clean up my desk because I spent a lot of time sitting at my desk, and I want to spend some time cleaning my desk so that it is clean for me. For me to like sit at it and not be so cluttered. So I'm also gonna light some incense or a candle, and that is gonna happen now. how would you describe our relationship in a very serious way? Like, how would you describe our relationship? He said, oh, why are you putting this much pressure on me?
Oh, no.
Just tell me. I know you're a very simple guy, but just be a little bit less simple.
I guess good. It's good.
He's lying. I'm fucking crazy. I'm a crazy girl.
And I'm laid back, chill.
Yeah, that's why we're a match. That's why we're a match. Ah!
Good.
Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. It is 6:03 p.m. and I just washed my hair. I had used an oil mask for about 15 to 30 minutes. I know that's not a very long time for an oil mask, but I did use this oil mask that I made myself, and I made it last night in the kitchen because it was really easy to make. So basically it's rosemary oil for your hair. It's supposed to help your hair grow really fast. And I just took a cup of jojoba oil, and I have 2 of these little things, but I took a cup of jojoba oil, and then I took some dried organic rosemary, and I put it in there, let it simmer and everything, and then I just poured it in here. And then I didn't use it that night because it was still hot oil and everything. But now today I put the oil mask in my hair. My hair is super soft, and then after I was done, I washed it all out, and I put in some leave-in conditioner. I used the Olaplex Bond Smoother. I'll link that down below. And then I put on some of my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I basically just used it as like a lip balm. Like, I don't even use it as like a sleeping mask. I just use it as like a chapstick. And then I made some tea. It's still cooling off. It's really hot right now, but this is the Fit tea. I think it's like, I don't know what brand it is, but I'll link that down below as well because it's really good, and I make it. Sometimes I put lemon in it because it tastes better like that, but I just have it plain right now. And this is like supposed to like speed up your metabolism and stuff. Totally not sponsored by any of these brands, but I just really like them and I use their products a lot. So now I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and watch my fiance play video games. I might play a little bit more video games in a second. Alright, hey guys, it is a lot later. It is 11:21 p.m. and if you hear a bunch of noise, it's my fiance over there playing a racing game on his PS4. But I wanted to quickly share with you guys my Goddess Provisions unboxing for July because I never shared it with you guys. I already set everything up and such because I got some like decor for my room this month. It was called the Luminous Luxe box. It was amazing. I loved it, and I loved everything that I got. I've been subscribed to Goddess Provisions since May of this year, and I have loved every single box that I got. The first box was the Mercury retrograde box, and I absolutely loved that one. And I just wanted to share with you guys what I got in this month's box. So I basically got things that I never really got in the box before. You always get this little card, and it shows like what you get in the box. You get over like $100 something worth of product for like $33 a month. So it's a very good deal. And the first thing I got was this Your Intuition Led You Here by House of Intuition. It was like a resource book, and it's got really good useful information in it. If I can get it out of this box. I've already used it once. It's just daily rituals for empowerment, inner knowing, and magic. And it's from Alex Naranjo and Marlene Vargas. I'll link this box down below. It's got some really helpful information in it. That's all I know. And then I also got this Herb and Stone Apothecary Aura Face and Hair Oil. It's right here. It's got this really pretty like iridescent like case cover, whatever you want to call it. And it's just a face and hair oil. It smells really good, and I've used it once and I like it so far, but I haven't used it enough to know like if I love it. And then I got this Suncatcher Infinite Cycle Suncatcher. I'll insert a little picture video right here. I love it so much. And then I got these sun catchers that you stick on your window, and you like let the light shine through it like the sun, and it'll like cast a rainbow onto your surface. And I will show a picture of that as well. I'll actually show them in the beginning of this video. And then I got a crystal. I got this tea. I've already drank this tea like twice. It is so freaking good. It is this ultraviolet green tea with violet and lemongrass. And let me tell you, it smells good. It's very tart. It's very fruity. It's so good. And it starts out as a green tea, like just a regular green tea. And then when you add citrus to it, like acidity, I add lemon to mine. It turns purple. It turns to a purple tea. It's so freaking cool. I love how it looks. I love how it tastes. It is so amazing. And then of course you always get a I got a keychain as well. Oh yeah, I got a keychain. It's on my purse. I'll insert a picture of that as well. And then I got a crystal. And this year, or this month, I got a raw chalcopyrite. I don't know how to pronounce it. And yeah, that's everything I got in this month's box. It was a lot of stuff, and it was a very good value, and I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna get unready, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below and like this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.